Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful sleep. Today, the morning is little chill and it's a lovely weather. Spring is already there to bless all of us. I have my ideas to share with you, so I will just recite the poem I have written for you. It says, love the sound of your feet, walking away from things not meant for you. I love the sound of walking away, not wanting to hear what people say. I don't want to explain to people. They are not entitled to know, so I shuffle. I remember people who helped me in difficult times. Oh, I remembered them as nursery rhymes, not forgetting who left me when I needed them. I learned the truth when problem came. Another category who had put me in a mess. What an agony in life's chess. When I realized no one stood by my side, I started walking alone with strong stride. I don't need to hear the excuses. Their action has spoken the truth in various cases. I was little disappointed, not surprised, happy to learn the truth and apprised. I don't want to tolerate and teach them how to treat me and condemn. Often, not hearing is a boon. You don't react so soon. Out of sight is out of mind. Learn to forget, just don't fight. Believe in yourself and your silence. Let them feel your presence and essence. Work and concentrate on things that matter. All is not gold if it glitters. Seek love and connection. Believe in yourself, you need no validation. Create your own space. Participate and win the life's race. Win the life race. This is Sangeeta Saxena signing off. See you tomorrow with a new bright idea. Stay home, stay blessed.